I'm Dennis.
I'm Andrew.
We're the Crafty Lumberjacks. The holidays are in full swing, and if you're a procrastinator like us, you're probably looking for a last-minute holiday gift.
That's where we come in. You know, gnomes and handmade gifts are super trendy right now, so we're combining the two to make these handmade pinecone gnomes.
Yes, the best part about this is that they are super adorable, really easy to make, and only require a handful of materials. Let's get started. For the body of our gnome, we're going to be using a pine cone. You can either find these in bulk at Michael's,
or you can actually go into nature and find them there as well.
Yes, the main important thing is that you want it to have a nice round figure, and you want it to stand up straight like this. Now we're going to create the beard of our gnome. Really simple. You want to take your yarn and start to wrap it around your fingers, about 3 fingers here, and about 15 to 20 times, depending on how full you want his beard to be. So once we have that, we're going to slide it off, give it a snip at the end here, and then we're going to cut an additional piece of yarn to wrap around our beard. We're just going to take it and wrap it around the center, and I like to knot it twice, just to be safe. And then we're going to take our scissors and actually cut the loops of our beard here, like so. So we have some scraggly little loose yarn strands. Our gnome has been in the woods for years and years and years. So we want to make it look a little rough, a little not as maintained as it looks here. So I'm just going to use my fingers and start to unwind each little spiral. This will help the beard look really full and really adorable.
Yeah. It's these details that really take a craft to the next level, and it really doesn't take a lot of time.
The beard is looking super great, super fluffy. We're gonna set this aside and we're gonna show you how to create the hat.
What you want to do is fold your felt into fourths. And then I'm just going to cut a swoop from one corner to the other. And there you have 4 hats. So easy. So now we're just gonna glue the edges together. And what I'm gonna do is just add some hot glue to this straight edge right here. And then I'm just gonna bring those edges together just like this. And there we have a quick and easy cone hat.
Adorable. Now it's time to put everything together. Really simple. We're gonna take the beard and glue it from the center point right in the center of the pine cone. And you can use a little bit of hot glue to glue the beard into place. And now our gnome needs a little nose.
Yes.
All right.
We're going to be using a wooden bead for this.
The wooden beads, they have holes in the top and the bottom, and we found that the best way to hide the hole in the center of the bead is to actually do it top to bottom.
Yes.
North Pole. You can remember it that way.
That's a good tip. You just came up with that on the fly.
Yes. And I'm just going to glue the bead right at the top of the beard there.
Now it's time to attach our hat. Now, what we want to make sure is that our nose is peeking out, so we don't want to push the hat too far down. So I like to start at the back and then glue by the nose last. Pushing it down, and then I'm going to attach. I like to put just a little bit right on top of the bead. Now, you can either leave your hat just like this, or you can flip it down and glue it. I always like that. What do you think?
Yeah, I like that too because I think it helps mask any mistakes that you may have made in the process. And I also think it just gives them a little more character and charm.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of hot glue right to the side and just push it right down and hold it. All right, should we give him a haircut?
Yes, let's give him his beard a little trim. I actually think it's looking pretty good the way it is. How
oh my gosh,
adorable is he?
I think we made this, what, in under 5 minutes? It was so quick and easy. You can really just attack so many of these at the same time.
Yes, and now if you want to take it a step further, you can add a little string to the hat if you want to turn it into an ornament. You can even use a wood round as a base if you want to give them a little thing to sit on.
Yeah, or you can put them on top of a gift card just as a little embellishment, a handmade moment with a gift card I think is always a great gift.
This is it, the Pinecone Gnome made by us, Crafty Lumberjacks.